Good afternoon from the Universal Orlando parking garage. We are here today to celebrate Mardi Gras again. I've got my tasting lanyard here so that we can get some more tastes of some of the food. Another thing that we're really going to try today is we are really going to try to get on a float. Originally, I had signed up using my annual pass to ride a float tonight, but they never sent me a confirmation email. So it's kind of like a lottery system with the annual pass holders. Still, you sign up, say, I want so many spots, and then they pick from that group of annual pass holders people that can ride the float. So I didn't make it on. So my attempt today will be to ride a float using the virtual queue. So as soon as we check into the park, I'm gonna open up my app and try to see if there's any spots on the float. If not, we'll keep checking throughout the day. If we don't get on, we don't get on. We get to watch the parade, have a good time, let the good times roll, but I really wanna throw some beads tonight. So here's wishing me luck. Let's go inside and check it out. Doesn't look terrible here. It looks a little bit busy, but not too bad. We gotta wait until we actually get inside to be able to try to get a spot on a float. So let's go scan our ticket at the front entrance of Universal Studios. Oh, this is pretty neat. They've got this whole area kind of fenced off in front of the arches here. It just says in production today, and then it doesn't say what it is. It just gives you like, you might be videotaped, be careful. So like by entering this area, you are giving them permission to film you. And I think it's for the Today Show because the Today Show has been in town filming segments. Universal always has some of the shortest hours, and I don't understand why. I think it should be open later, but Islands of Adventure closes at 7 and Universal Studios closes at 8 tonight. But City Walk is open until 2 a.m. All right, here we go. Attempt number 1 at getting a spot on the Mardi Gras parade float. Let's see what we can do. No times available just yet. We'll keep trying. Here it is. This is what we're trying to do. We're trying to use the virtual line to secure our spot on a float. We certainly are hoping to be able to get one. We did sign up for one with our annual pass, but we needed to get a confirmation email that we never got. So I think it's still like a lottery system. We will keep trying for this virtual line spot. It looks like some of the performers are already out and about for the Mardi Gras parade, getting people excited. Here are some people that we certainly hope their feet do not fail them while they're up on their stilts. She's got a monkey on her shoulder. I love this. Happy Mardi Gras!
Happy Mardi Gras! Ding dang!
Oh yeah. Happy Mardi Gras! Okay, here we go. Attempt number 2 to ride a Mardi Gras float. Let's see if we can figure it out. Let's see what we can do. No times available. Dang. Like I said, we're gonna keep trying. This is probably the best spot to stand when you are doing a shift change. Happy Mardi Gras! Happy Mardi Gras! Happy Mardi Gras! Oh yeah, big Gras energy. I like that. The shrimps are coming back. This is fun and exciting. All right, while we're trying to wait for a spot on a float, let's head into the French Quarter, get some food while we're waiting. Whoa, look at this scary guy. One thing that I realized that I didn't do last time is go through the booths and show off their display food. So over here is the gator bites and crab etouffee. I don't think I'm gonna get either of these, but they do look delicious. These are the gator bites. And that's the crab etouffee. Here's the po' boy tent. Let's have a look at their po' boys. Got the chicken and andouille sausage, the shrimp and andouille sausage, and this is the catfish. The catfish has sriracha, and then these two have Louisiana mayo. I don't know what that's, just spicy mayo, I guess? Cajun mayo. All right, here we go. Attempt number 3. See what we can find here. Parade flight, what is it called? No times yet. We're gonna get on one of these floats. I guarantee it. We're going to just keep trying. Let's have a look at this jambalaya and gumbo. Bloody Mary, jambalaya, red beans and rice, and gumbo. All right. Those look good. I don't need any shrimp, though, or crawfish.
So if you don't want shrimp, shrimp comes in this automatically, but you can ask for either the gumbo or the red beans without shrimp.
Okay. So you can ask for the gumbo or the red beans without shrimp.
Yeah.
Okay, very cool. And then last week, we got the beignets and the king cake. And we'll put a link to that video in the description down below so you guys can see what those look like. Ooh, the band's coming out. You guys know I love this band. They're awesome. And I think I'm going to get that chicken and andouille sausage po' boy again because it is delicious. I just went with the chicken and andouille sausage again because it is delicious. Over here next to the Mummy, we got a little bit of scrim up here. Looks like they're doing some exterior work on Sahara Traders. I feel like this video is gonna be a lot of me just attempting to try to get in on the parade float. So let's see what we can do here next. Let's get a virtual line here. Nothing. Dang. Been trying still, haven't gotten anything, but I'm gonna head over to Kids Zone where I think you check in. Just see what it looks like over there. See if there's anybody over there that I can ask, like, are there any more spots? Should I keep trying? Or is it just completely full? We'll see, why not? Looks like they're doing a little bit of maintenance on the lagoon show. All of the fountains are raised up, or the water level has been dropped a little bit. I think the water level has been dropped. You can see where it normally would be there on the wall. And doing some maintenance work, that's interesting. They still have some of the tent up from Rock the Universe, still taking it down. Now we're headed back to Kids Zone just to see. Because you can imagine that people that do the virtual line early in the morning, like maybe they sign up for 3 people and not all 3 people are here, or they just decide not to do it. So there's probably cancellations. Okay, we're in Kids Zone. Normally it was back by Barney, but somebody told me that it's in here in this covered area in front of Animal Actors. Let's go back there and look first. Oh yeah, there it is. I think I'm on the wrong side of the area here though. I think I need to be on the other side over there. So let's head over. So random change of events. I ran into some people as they were walking by and they're like, hey, do you need an extra band? Do you know anybody that needs 2 bands? I was like, that's me. I have a friend that's coming, we need a band. And he's like, here you go, here's 2 extra wristbands. He said, I think we're gonna be on King Gator, so that would be awesome. We might be ending up the parade tonight. And that could happen to you too. You could be just walking by and somebody might say, hey, I've got 2 extra bands, here you go. So definitely come back here and check in Kids Zone. And if you don't find somebody that has 2 extra bands, just talk to the people in Kids Zone there, because they might have an extra spot. They said 5:30 is the cutoff. As soon as 5:30 rolls around and they need extra spots, they'll just start pulling people in, ready to ride. So there you go, little tips for you. We're gonna ride a float tonight. Looks like they didn't fill all of the floats. You can see some team members out here walking out with wristbands, trying to get people to ride on the floats. All right, I found out that we are on the Atlantis float. That sounds like it's gonna be fun. Maybe like some sea creatures or something on there. Can't wait to throw some beads. All right, we're all checked in. We fill out our waiver. We got our wristbands on. We're on the Atlantis float, and we're going to get dressed inside of Animal Actors over here. All of these people here are gonna be on a float. Wow, look at this. There it is. There's everybody riding a float tonight. Here's all of the different outfits for all of the different floats. And we are on Atlantis.
That's right.
I think we are the, oh, here it is right here. This is the one that I'm wearing right here. Yeah, look at this. I feel fancy. Got some sparkles on. My feet are ready to not fail me. I definitely like this setup better than last year's because you're in the shade. You don't have to worry about waiting over by Barney. It's a lot, I feel like it's a lot more relaxed. Got a nice little spot to sit in the shade. Cooler than normal. I like being in Animal Actors better than being over by Barney like we did last year. If you guys haven't seen videos from years past where we've ridden on floats, we'll put some links in the description down below so you guys can see the difference in procedure.
Left of me say Marty, right of me say Gras.
McFly.
Marty!
McFly! Marty! Gras! Marty!
One more time, even louder!
Marty! Gras!
You guys are ready!
We're
You
excited.
guys are ready!
We're going to call your float. You're going to meet your beat captain. You're going to head to your float. We're going to give you a safety speech. We're going to cover a few of those highlights of the safety speech here tonight just so that you hear it twice. All right? So when you go to your float, you're going to load onto your float. Make sure you listen to exactly what your beat captain is telling you. When you get on your float, you're going to see some beads on a hook. You're going to take those beads off the hook. You're going to remove the paper wrapper on there. And then when we step off, that means when you're in guest view, you will throw 1 strand of beads at a time to the guests. And when we ask that you throw them, we actually you throw underhanded. And don't whale the beads. Don't frisbee the beads into guest faces. Let's not hurt anybody. They want the beads, they don't want to get hurt. So make sure you're lobbing or throwing the beads very gently to the guests down below.
We're following our Atlantis sign, going to get on our float. So we're headed backstage right now, but once we make it backstage, I won't be able to film again until we are back on stage in the parade. So there's gonna be a little bit of like time traveling going on. There'll be a dead stop here in the Kid Zone area, and then we'll reappear back at the Esoteric Gate going down Hollywood on our float, throwing out beads. Fun fact, they told us that we are going to be up top and we'll be able to get visuals from both sides. We'll be able to throw to both sides of the parade float. But right there, I have to stop filming. We're on stage now, so here's where we're at. We've got all of our beads here on this hook, and we can just grab one and throw it like out to that little girl right there. Let's see. Here you go, little kid. So we just kind of sit here and throw them out. We're on the Atlantis float. All kinds of glitter everywhere. Hanging things. There's smoke up here. And we've got bubbles coming out of the back there. And they said the confetti does go off from our float. So we're going to be looking out for that. And we're just throwing out beads. Come and get it, everybody. I want somebody to... Here you go, back there. Oh no, I dropped all mine. Oh dear. All right, let's bring them back up top here. All right, here we go. Huh! One of my favorite things is to try to get it on a sign. Oh no, I threw it out in the middle of the road. Oh, it smells like Horror Nights out here. They said to give it a 5-second interval as you're throwing it so you don't run out of beads as the night progresses. Here's the problem though, is they get all tangled up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them all off the hook except for one packet. That way I can do, oh, I just made a mess, didn't I? Probably a bad idea. But just do one, because you see they've got a little band on them here. And then you take the band off. And then you've got beads here that you can throw out to the crowd. Well, I can't really, I'm doing bad. Yeah. So the best thing to do is to wrap them around your arm like this so that you've got easy access to it. And then you can just swing them out there real quick. Right at all the people that are asking for them. All right. Oh. Did it happen? The confetti just happened. That was exciting. This is one of my favorite things to do every year. It's just fun. Oh, here's the little gesture section. You really got to throw it to the kids. They're the ones that want them all. Yeah, here you go, kids. There you go, everybody. That guy. All right, right to him. Oh, here you go. Ah! Oh no, I hit the guy. Oh yeah, I threw it to that guy. All right, we did it. Hey, I don't have any beads. I'd throw them to you. Happy Mardi Gras. Oh, here. Let me see if I can do it. Yeah, we did it. I did make a mess of my beads, so I'm trying to kind of put them back on one group at a time. So it makes it a little bit easier for me. There you go. Oh, we got to throw one to Hello Kitty back there. There you go, Kitty White. Right to her. Perfect. My favorite thing to do is to try to find either like a small child or somebody that doesn't have a lot of them and try to throw it to them. Yeah, okay, you see those two kids back there? Right there. Right to them. Perfect. Oh, look, there's Lisa. We got to get one to Lisa. Ah, right there. Yeah. This lady. Yeah. All right. Way in the back. Way in the back. I feel like you could use this sort of as an idea of where not to stand for the Mardi Gras parade. Like here, right outside of Monsters Cafe, they're really far away from the bead throwers, so you're less likely to get lots of beads that far away. I keep running out here. I feel like I'm really going through the beads pretty quickly. I'm all out of pink ones. Now I need to go into the white. And they do say that you are allowed to keep a total of 10 for yourself if you would like to. So by the end of it, if you just are right at the beginning, if you put 10 on, you can walk off the float with that, but you can't walk off with any more than that. Oh, more confetti went off again. It's so much fun being on a parade float. Oh, I feel like they don't have a lot of beads. We gotta get some out there. Let's get that photographer guy. He wants some beads. Yeah. Ooh, I feel like there are some people without beads. They need them. Yeah. More beads for you guys. Fun and exciting. We're almost to the end of our run. I don't have very many beads left. Right there. All right, I feel like I did pretty good. We're almost back to the beginning, and these is my last beads right here. That's it. I got one last bead left to throw. Let's see, where are we gonna throw it? Who wants my last bead? She does. All right, we did it. That was it. Now I just wave at everybody. Like I said, because the parade passes by Horror and Makeup Show twice, it really is a good spot to sit because you might get double beads. But unfortunately, like with me, once we make it back to this spot, we don't have any more beads left. So I don't have any beads to throw to them. Sorry, everybody. I don't have any more beads. We hope you enjoyed your Mardi Gras, though. There it is, the last people. And right here, we have to turn off the camera. Bye. One day, we'll make it into Schwab's Pharmacy for their floats. They are closed now. Says they will reopen at Sorry We Missed You. Please visit us at Ben & Jerry's. They don't have floats at Ben & Jerry's, though. Have to come to Schwab's Pharmacy. I'm still excited to see what these floats look like. One day, we'll definitely get one. So there you have it. That was our trip out to Universal Orlando for Mardi Gras to get on a float and throw some beads. Didn't seem like it was gonna happen at first, but then it did. Our luck changed and we were able to get on a float and we had a blast. We were on the Atlantis float, got rid of all of our beads. Good times. We let the good times roll and our feet did not fail us. So all in all, a fantastic day. And with that being said, we are off. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Megan.
And I'm Kevin.
We're from Cumberland, Rhode Island.
And now it's time to pay the price.